I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Pinterest. For that, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with email, Facebook or Google. For now, I'm going to sign up with email. Enter your email address and then tap on next. Create a password, and when you're done, tap on next. Enter your age and select next. For relevant content, select your gender. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save Password if you want to save your password on your iCloud keychain. If not, tap on Don't Allow. Now you'll have to select your country. Tap on Next, which is at the bottom of your screen. Pick any 5 or more topics that you are interested in. Tap on Next, which is on the top right of your screen. This way you can easily create Pinterest account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.